Samahan nyo kami. We're going to Ontario Mills. Okay, ayan po yung mga stores dito sa Ontario Mills. This is an indoor outlet. At maghahanap kami ng parking ni Dada. Okay, finally, we found a parking. Nandito kami sa Ontario Mills ni Dada. Medyo mag-shopping lang kami ng konti. Kasi sa mga friends namin, nabibigyan namin ng gift. Okay, so that way, sabi ni Dada, that way. Okay. So, luckily, we found a parking right away. Tingnan mo ang pogi ni Dada, oh. So, anong araw ba ngayon? Monday, no? It's Monday at 4:30 p.m. At naisipan na nga namin na magpunta rito sa Ontario Mills. Kasi si Dada balak din bumili ng Ray-Ban. Ang kanyang sunglass na Ray-Ban. At, itong Ontario Mills na to, this is an indoor outlet. Ang maganda dito, indoor outlet. At hindi katulad ng mga ibang outlet dito na nasa outdoor at talaga namang lalakarin mo ang lalayo ng lalakarin at kung napakainit talaga naman masusunog ka talaga sa init. But anyway, medyo malamig nga dito ngayon kaya nakita naman yung spot namin. So, pakita nyo sa loob. Okay, so ito ang entrance ng indoor outlet. Karamihan ng mga tao, lalo na pagka magaganitong holiday season, syempre namimili ng mga gifts. Ang una mong hanapin, syempre, ano, yung mga discounted, yung mga sale items. Kasi sa dami ba naman ng pagbibigyan mo ng regalo, diba? Syempre, ay, there's a sunglasses hat, Dada, oh. Tingnan natin kung may Ray-Ban dito. Pili kasi si Dada ng Ray-Ban. Ayan, so, marami ng, oh, wait a minute. Anak ko, may Jollibee na rito, oh. Tingnan naman ninyo. Jollibee. Jollibee is everywhere talaga. Okay, so tignan natin ang mga sunglasses nila dito. Ayan, tumitingin na si Dada ng sunglasses. Okay. Is there any particular style?
Yeah.
Okay. So, kasi yung dating sunglass ni Dada na Ray-Ban, medyo hindi na maganda. At ito pala ang aking OOTD ngayon. I'm wearing my wide-legged beige pants. At itong aking puppy jacket. Pupper jacket. At syempre, ang aking newsboy cap. At ako po ay naka-navy blue na turtleneck with my Chanel bag. Ayan. At syempre, Tory Birch ako na flats. Yeah. Tory Birch flats. So that's my OOTD for today. Yeah. Atin. Okay, so hanapin natin kung nasan si Dada.
Classic one?
I think he likes the classic ones.
Classics. I mean, we have the aviators all the way over here on this way, and then wafers as well.
Is it on sale?
All of these selections are getting a buy one get one half off today.
Oh, nice.
Matter of fact, we even got some that are
get
really.
one.
Are these Gentle Monster?
Huh?
This brand?
This is Monster.
Gentle Monster.
Yeah,
huh?
Gentle Monster.
There's a lot of people that ask for that one.
Do you
and I
carry
do have,
that?
I don't, but I was gonna say we have one similar within Ray-Ban.
Oh,
It's
okay.
like as close as it could possibly get, but yeah, that one is a really affluent one.
Yeah, I'm wearing the Gentle Monster na sunglass. Kung makikita nyo, that's the Gentle Monster. Itong aking gamit. Yun. Kasi marami daw tao na nagtatanong kung meron sila Gentle Monster dito. Pero yun, hindi nila they don't sell that here. I think it's all about Ray-Ban. So, ang brand lang na, well, actually, meron din pala silang Oakley. There's Oakley. Okay, so meron sila mga ibang brand. Ayan, Oakley. Pero ang Gentle Monster, hindi nila kinikarry ang Gentle Monster. They don't sell Gentle Monster here. Okay, so, yan, dami magagandang sunglasses. Ayan. Kaya hopefully Dada will be able to get one for him. Kasi talagang kailangan na talagang palitan yung sunglass ni Dada. So I think Dada wants the new styles that they have. Parang nakapili na si Dada eh. Ito yan. Itong blue na yan. Pero, well, hindi siya sale. Kasi ang sale nila is, bibili ka niyan. And then yung second pair, yung pangalawang pair ay 50% off. So, originally the price is $268. And syempre, kasama yung tax doon, ano? So, you wanted that, Dada? No, I think that's it, yeah. Thank you. So, nakuha na ni Dada. Yun ang gusto niya. Yung tagto $268. Kaya lang sa tinanong kung gusto ng second pair, hindi naman kailangan ng second pair kasi yung second pair kasi 50% off. So additional pairs is 50% off. So okay na rin. He said 268. Yeah, 268 with plus the tax is probably around $280. So okay na yon. Ray-Ban naman, maganda naman ang Ray-Ban. At saka talagang tumatagal ang Ray-Ban. Kasi yung talaga gusto ni Dada noon pa kasi nga kailangan na talagang palitan yung kanyang sunglass na Ray-Ban din. Kasi matagal na rin niya nagamit yun eh. Wala, meron din pala sila ritong Prada oh. May Tory Burch din sila. Ayun. Tory Burch. Versace. Burberry. Dolce & Gabbana. Bulgari. Dolce & Gabbana. Coach. Michael Kors. Oakley. Oh, marami silang brand dito except itong gamit ko na Gentle Monster. This is a Gentle Monster. This is what I'm using right now. Gentle Monster. Ayan. So, nasan yung tao? Oh, okay. 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 Yun. So, finally, ang bilis namin makabili ngayon. Dati, inaabot kami ng it takes time for Dada to decide which one. Pero yung napili niya maganda talaga. So, yun daw ang kanilang latest edition ng Ray-Ban. Yan ang kanilang bago ngayon. Latest style ng Ray-Ban.
I any of our stores, even if
Okay,
it's not damaged.
so ang
you can bring
total
it back
nung
and we'll replace it.
na gustuhan ni Dada or yung kanyang pinili ay $291. Not bad kasi Ray-Ban naman ang brand and Ray-Ban really last for a long time. It lasts. So, yun nga, pagka bibili nga tayo ng mga gamit, I might as well buy the one that's actually worth the price and something that would really last. Na talagang gagamitin natin araw-araw, di ba? At alam po natin na tatagal talaga. So, di bali nang magbayad ng mahal, tatagal naman ang gamit. Ayan, kesa naman bibili po tayo ng mura ng mga sunglasses tapos wala naman siyang UV protection sa mata, lalo na po yung mga nabibili ng mga mumurahin ng mga sunglasses. Delikado po yun kasi kung walang mga UV protection, importante may UV protection. At syempre sasabihin nila may mga UV protection yung mga cheap glasses, cheap sunglasses, pero sa totoo lang walang mga UV protection yan. Marketing strategy lang nila yung sasabihin nila mayroong mga UV protection para nga naman ang mga tao bibili at kakagat sa mga presyo nila, diba? Pero ito nga at ito na nagbabayad na nga si Dada, and after here siguro ikot pa kami rito at gusto ko rin makita ninyo ang loob nitong Ontario Mills at para na rin kayong nag-shopping. Dito tayo, mag-shopping tayo, kasama nyo kami. Ayan ang Marshalls. At ayun nga, sabi nila yung Jollibee na yan, bago lang, mga few months ago lang, Jollibee is actually taking over talaga dito sa US. Talagang napakarami na nilang mga branches dito. At kasi nga nagiging favorite na ng mga tao dito ang Jollibee kasi masarap talaga. Chicken, spaghetti, spicy chicken, regular chicken, lahat masarap. Yung kanilang adobo rice, yan, one of the favorite. So, ayan, hihintay ko lang si Dada dito sa labas. At after that, so how much did you pay? Alright, so here it is. Sunglass Hut. So, 300. Well, it's worth it, even if you pay $300 something. Oh, look at this. It's strawberry. Fresh strawberry shake. Talaga, strawberry talaga. Yan ang sasabihin mo talagang pure strawberry. At like yung ibang mga nabibili ng mga powder lang ang ginagamit. Ito, makikita mo talaga na pure strawberry drink. How much? Oh, okay. So, the total is $311. Okay lang yun. Ano naman Ray-Ban naman So, what do we expect, right? Alam naman natin na ang Ray-Ban ay talaga namang mahal. Okay, so ikot tayo dito. Iikot po tayo. Mamimili tayo. You have the receipt, Dada?
You want to get the pen receipt?
Did you get, ask for the actual receipt. I told Dada to ask for the actual receipt. Although they already emailed the receipt to him, sabi ko, no, ask for the actual receipt. Kasi iba din yung meron kang hawak na actual receipt Ako ganun ako parate. Even if they will email me the receipt, I would want to have a hard copy of the receipt. So, ayun, bumalik si Dada. At, iikot tayo dito. Labubu! Look at that Labubu. Labubu is everywhere. Okay, let's wait for Dada. He's asking for the actual receipt. Okay. Pin Up Boutique. They have dress for ladies, for men's. They have some formal dresses, party dresses. And
ayun, ang mga pwede nating puntahan, Old Navy Outlet, Burlington, Hollister, Food Court, Columbia Factory Store. Okay, so, $314.44 ang total ng binayaran ni Dada. Okay lang yon. Oy, ang dami rin kumakain sa Jollibee, oh. Oh. Dami kumakain, oh. At saka, ang laki ng kanilang ano rito, ha? Ang laki ng kanilang store dito ng Jollibee. Okay, so this one is what? Ice cream place. This is the ice cream place. Okay. So, ikot-ikot tayo. Da, be careful with your stuff, ha? Why don't you wear it now? Or why don't you use it now? Wear it now, eh. Why don't you use it now? Okay. What's this? Lollipop. Fresh. Okay, mga fresh fruits. Okay. Hot Club. Ayan, yung mga mahilig sa mga baseball cap. Ayan, mga mahilig sa mga baseball cap yan. Nandiyan lahat. Lahat ng hanapin mo. Okay, so let's go to ano yon, yung shirt na favorite natin.
Diba?
Yeah. Let's go to Levi's. Okay. Ito naman, tindahan ng mga boots, ng mga rubber shoes. Okay, Blaze Pizza, Pizza Place, coffee, Samsonite, mga luggages, Lucky Brand Outlet. Oh, Yamaba. There's a casino here. Dalo ka to Yamaba. Yamaba. There's a mini casino here. Resort and casino. Oh, I wonder what that one is. Gulat ako, meron lang. Siguro yung mga nagpapapicture kay Santa. Ang kita kanilang ng kanilang Christmas tree. Christmas tree is about 15 feet. 20. Around 25 feet. Around 20 feet. At okay, yung mga magpapapicture kay Santa. Ayun, kaya yung maraming mga bata kasi yung mga magpapapicture. Okay, there's Brixton, Steve Baden, Karl Lagerfeld, True Religion. Maganda yung brand tong True Religion na to. Itong brand yan. Carlsberg Diamonds. What's this? The Cosmetics Company Store. Dami rin tao, marami na rin namimili ngayon kasi syempre Christmas shopping, tomorrow is the 24th. Siguro bukas half day lang sila. Kaya marami nang they're doing their last day of Christmas shopping. Oh, I think have a sale today. Kaya yan ang pila, nakita niyo ang pila. Kaya dito pagka sale talaga ang mga tao talaga. Oh wow, this is cute. I want you guys to see this one. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Wow, look at that. Oh, and look at this one. Wow, ang cute. So nice. Michael Kors.
they have a sale too. Kasi tingnan nyo, pagka ganyang may pila sa labas, they have a sale around 25% off. 25 extra, 25% off sa Michael Kors. Someone say hi. He said hi. So hi everyone. Alam na nag-video ako eh. Kaya sabi ng guy, hi. There's the Aunt Taylor. Aunt Taylor. Swarovski. There's the Swarovski. All the nice crystals. Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret is here. Oh, that's cute. Toys for kids. Look at Santa Claus. Victoria's Secret. Or Lacoste, let's look for Lacoste.
Okay.
Okay, so tignan natin yung directory kung saan yung Lacoste.
Fine.
Ha? Oh yeah, it's there. Lacoste is right there. Ayan. Nahanap. Sabi ko, look at the directory. Hanapin natin yung Lacoste. Nandito na pala kami sa Lacoste. So, Lacoste na lang siguro ang bilhin natin. Okay, so we are here at Lacoste. And Lacoste is having a sale today, of course, because it's a holiday season. Holiday season, 50% off on this one. Dada, this is nice, oh. It's 50% off. The blue is nice. Okay, so let's check out other shirts. Anong bibilin mo kay ano? Ah, okay, okay. For Kuya Pereng and for ano, yung ireregalo natin doon sa kaibigan natin. Yan, pili ka na lang kung anong ano sa kanya. Ha? Maybe the blue shirt in large. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're gonna get one shirt. Well, actually, how many shirts are we gonna get? 3 shirts. Okay, so we're gonna get 3 shirts for our friend. So, alam ko ang Lacoste dyan sa atin, talagang mahal eh. Ngayon, naka-sale ang Lacoste at $55. Ayan, 55. So, I think the blue is okay, Dada, this color. Huh? Huh? Large? We can ask the lady, Dada. Dada, you can ask the lady. Yeah, I told Dada to ask the lady because we are gonna get a shirt for our friend. Ang ganda rin tong stripe red and white na to. This is also nice. Meron na ba siyang ano, light blue? Light blue is nice. Or yung teal next to the left, that one is teal. Or the green, this one, the light green. This one is nice. Dada, this one, oh, light green. Light green is nice. So, ito pa, ang gaganda ng mga kulay nila. I love the color. I love the green. This is nice. Navy blue is also nice. I love the color. So, ayun, namimili si Dada. Ayun. Namimili siya. Oh, wow. They have a trench coat here. Lacoste na trench coat. Oh, that's interesting. $237. That's $237. Nice. Makapal siya. Mabuti nga hindi pa masyadong marami ang tao ngayon eh. Wala pa to dahil tomorrow, last day of Christmas shopping, siguradong ang mga tao dito talaga. Nako, punong-puno. Kasi last time na magpunta kami dito at yun nga, it was a late shopping talaga namin. Pinaka-late na. So, talagang punong-puno yung tao dito. Tsaka, minsan pagka mahaba ang pila sa cashier, talagang tatamarin ka na rin mamili. Kasi doon pa lang sa pila sa cashier, talagang mauubos na yung oras mo. Well, at least, ngayon, Monday pa lang dito, although, ang mga ibang tao, syempre, they are doing their last day of Christmas shopping ngayon. Kasi tomorrow nga, tulad ng sinabi ko, half day lang ang mga stores. Kasi it's already the 24th of December. So, Christmas Eve. Ayan. Maganda rito mga bags na to. Yung mga parang body bag. Ayan. That's nice. So, let's wait for Dada kung ano yung kanyang mapipili. Okay, so we got 5 Lacoste shirts.
5.
One for women and 4 for the guys. And these are actually gifts for our friend. At yung isa para sa pamangkin namin. Our special pamangkin sa Philippines. So, maganda ngayon mamili nga dito kasi sale sila 50% off. Pag hindi sila sale, ang regular price nito is $100. So ngayon ang bawat isang shirt $50 lang, di ba? Ang laking mura talaga. Laking kamurahan. Kaya ang mga tao, they actually take advantage of holiday season kasi dito talaga sila namimili ng gusto at kasi nga napakalaki talaga ng masasave na as for sabi ko kay Dada, humingi siya ng bags for each one kasi it's a gift. Bags for each one kasi it's a gift. So, yeah, as for a bags, yeah, that's great. Okay. So, at iikot pa tayo para makita ninyo ang loob nitong indoor outlet na to. Meron pa kaming isang napupuntahang outlet. Medyo malayo din dito. Pero yon outdoor. So, I actually preferred to go to the indoor outlet. Kasi dito, hindi ka maiinitan, parang hindi ka mapapagod. Kasi nga indoor. You got everything there? Okay.
Tapos na.
So, Banana Republic. Ayun, Banana Republic. Nella, Merry Christmas. Nella, Merry Christmas. Naku, hindi, wala yun. Bath and Body Works, ayan. Okay. Ayan, dito ako namimili ng mga ginagamit ko sa bahay, ng mga plug-ins. Yung mga spray para sa aming Hi! All these people are just so amazing. Actually, a while ago, one guy said hi when he saw me, doing streaming like this. They were like so excited. Yung bang, di ba nakakatuwa yung ganon? There's a Timberland, Timberland, Sephora, where you can get all kinds of makeup. Ayan, Kate Spade of New York. H&M is right there. Cole Haan.
Okay. H&M, yan. Dati namin mga paborito dyan kami namimili. Ayan, masarap din mamili sa H&M. Movado. Ayan, this one is Polo, Ralph Lauren. That you got your credit card?
Yeah.
Okay. Your phone? Calvin Klein. Gap. Gap. Levi's, Tory Burch. I love their flats, Tory Burch. I have 2 flats from Tory Burch. I think they have a sale right now. So ayan, kaya nakapila ang mga tao. Ayan, kaya pila siguro to mga oh wow, 50% off. 50% off at Tory Burch. That's nice. Wow. I'll probably check inside. Ay, kaya lang pila na naman eh. Ayan oh. Punta sana kami ni Dada eh. Where's Dada? Oh, there. Kala ko na. Okay, there's the Levi's. Dada, pupunta sana ako sa Tory Burch kaya lang pila. Pupunta sana ako sa Tory Burch kaya lang pila. Okay, Kipling. Levi's. Okay, Pandora. There is the Pandora. Okay. Chocolate Factory is here. Yan, yung mga chocolate, yung mga pampapayat. Pampapayat eh, no? Too much chocolate. Ano kaya? Oh, wow. Kaya pala, pila ang Pandora. Ang daming tao dito. I think they're having a sale too. Oh, okay. Pandora is actually jewelries. So, maraming mamimili ng jewelry. Siguro mga 50% off sila ngayon. Citizen. Carter's, babies, and kids. Yung mga dresses for babies. Pink. Where's the pink? Expressman. There's an Expressman. Yung mga clothes for the husband, ng mga pogi. Okay, Bleached shoes. So these are shoes. And they're having a sale right now, 50% off on Bleached. Pero wala akong nakikitang nakapila. Walang pila dyan ngayon. Okay, Core, also boots and shoes. Finish Line. There's the Finish Line. West Elm Outlet. Pottery Barn. So this is Pottery Barn Outlet. Okay. Harley is right there. So, cute nito oh. Juices, if you want to have some juice. Pag medyo napagod ng kalalakad. Babyland. So, yun ang maganda rito kasi nga indoor outlet. Kaya hindi ka maiinitan kasi yung outdoor outlet, ang lalayo pati ng mga stores nila. So, kung gusto mo makarating doon sa kabilang store, maglalakad ka at sa labas at mainit.
kahit sabihin nating malamig, pero kasi pagka nasa labas para bang madaling nakakapagod. Dito, parang ganyan lang. We are just taking our time. Ito, mga jewelries. Disney store. Ayun ang Disney store. Guest. There's the guest. Entire store is 50% off. That's nice. Aldo. There's the Aldo.
I got you. I'll take it. And then she said,
Maganda rin ang mga shoes ng Aldo. Lego. I remembered Kevin when he was like I think 10 years old. Mahilig siya talaga sa Lego. Parati kaming nasa Lego. Hilig si Kevin dyan. Okay. Tignan natin kung hanggang saan naabot to. Dulong-dulo. Pinakadulong-dulo. Pupuntahan natin. Okay, so this one here, they're selling all types of gown. Ayan, mga gown, mga pang parties. Ayan, kita naman ito for kids, oh. Tingnan ninyo to, oh. Ay, ayan, oh. Tapos kukuha yung kids ng ano. Wow, cute na. Ayan, tapos kukuha siya. Hanggang sa yung makuha niyang ano. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Ayan, kung hanggang ilan ang makuha niya, nakakatuwa naman, oh. Wow, tingnan naman yun. That's cute. Wow.
Are you ready?
All kinds of stuffed toy.
Okay, ready.
Galing naman na nakaisip nito. Wow. Ayan, oo. Dami na nakuha mga stuffed toy. Wow. That's cute. Saan, ang cute nito. Oh, ayan, oh. Enjoy yung bata, oh. Hindi kaya ako, siguro baka pwede ako dito, no? Baka masira yung ano, hindi ako makaya. Siguro these are for kids from 1-year-old to I think about 5 years old. Ayan, ang cute, no? Sasakay dun yung kids, sasakay siya dyan. Ayan, tapos kukuha siya ng mga stuffed toy na hanggang kaya niyang kunin. Kung hanggang ilan ang kaya niyang kunin. Wow, that's a great idea. Maganda to ha, para sa mga kids talaga mag-e-enjoy talaga sila. Wow, that's really nice. Kung sinong nakaisip nito, talagang ang galing naman, ano. Oh, alam ko meron nito yung parang sa mga vending machine na mga toys, yung maglalagay ka ng coins. Tapos yun, meron siyang yung pangsipet na dalawa. So, swertihan na lang kung makakakuha ka talaga, di ba? Pero talagang to, oh, napaka-cute. Oh, all kinds of stuffed toy is here. Talagang mag-enjoy talaga yung bata. Grabe, nakakatuwa. Ang galing. Malilibang talaga yung mga bata pagka ganyan. Kids, okay, kids, puro mga damit na pang kids lang to. Yan. Ito, another store for gowns, yung mga kailangan na mga formal wear. Yan. They can just, shop here. They carry all types of gowns, formal wear, clothes for parties. Ayan, meron sila dyan. Nordstrom Rack. So there's also a Nordstrom Rack here. Ayan, Nordstrom Rack. Ayan, marami silang mga items yan. Mga clothes, shoes, perfumes. Oh, they have all brands at great prices. Ayan, tingnan nyo, oh. Nike, Levi's, Rag & Bone, Madewell, Steve Madden, Marc Jacobs, Calvin Klein, Vince. So they have all these brands here art at Nordstrom Rack. Okay. So, ang sarap mag-ikot-ikot, pero meron akong isang nakita dito na medyo nakapansin ng mata ko. Ganun eh, no? Kasi alam naman ninyo ako, mahilig ako sa mga ganitong kulay. Well, it's a, I thought it's a set. Hindi pala set. Separate pala to. But it's a nice color though. Nice color. Ayan, dito mga mura yung mga mabibili mo rito. Magagandang brand naman siya. At a discounted price. Dada, let's go. Dada. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano yung dun sa dulo. Rainforest Cafe. Okay, Daniel's Jewelers. At ito dito, kung gusto ninyong mag-relax, yan, libre massage, pero syempre, kailangan maglagay kayo ng barya. hindi pala libre. Okay. Ayan. Perry Ellis. 2 for $40. Icon color. So this brand is for guys. Ayan. Skechers. Yeah, maganda rin yung Skechers na rubber shoes, ha? Skechers. There. Okay, Rainforest Cafe. This is a Rainforest Cafe. Dito talaga mag-enjoy ang mga bata kapag nag-i-snack. Ayan, para ka talagang nasa forest. You feel like you're in the forest. O, tingnan mo to. Tingnan ninyo to. Malaking elephant. Akala ko gumalaw. Ay, oo nga, no, gumalaw yung elephant. Kasi sabi ko, akala ko gumalaw yung elephant. Talaga palang gumalaw. O, tingnan ninyo, o. O, diba? At saka meron sila ritong gift shop, oh, ayan, oh. So habang after you have your snack, yan, pwede silang pumunta sa gift shop at pwede silang bumili ng mga souvenirs. Ayan, oh wow, tingnan naman ninyo to. Grabe, oh, ayan, oh. Merong malaki ritong crocodile. Oh, alam mo, tunay eh, oh my gosh. Oh, nagagalit eh. bakit ko daw siya kinukunan ng video? Oh. Wow, let's go around, Dada. Ang ganda naman dito. Oh, okay. So this one, tignan ninyo to, oh. Ayan, oh, gusto ko makita ninyo yan, oh. Oh, diba? Oh. Ganda. Ganda naman. Ayan, oh. Oh, ayan, oh. Panoorin ninyo. Oh, hindi ba maganda? Oh. At tignan niyo itong puno na to. Kakaibang puno to, ha. Okay, sabihin niyo sa akin kung anong gusto niyo rito at pipitasin ko para sa inyo. Oh, ayan, sa kayo nakakita ng puno. Isang puno, nandiyan lahat ng mga prutas na kailangan ninyo or lahat ng prutas na gusto ninyo. Oh, hindi lang talagang basta prutas, talagang higanting prutas. Oh, nakita ninyo yung pinya na yan? Oh, di ba? Cute. Ang cute talaga. Grabe. Ayan, iba-ibang mga souvenirs, mga t-shirts. Saan na si Dada? Where is Dada? Cute dito. Oh, ang ingay ng elepante. Siguro sabi, tingnan natin itong puno na to kung nagsasalita siya. Ito ang gusto kong makita eh. Itong puno na to. Tingnan natin. Oh, nagsasalita nga. Ayan, gusto kong makita ninyo yan. Oh.
Oh, di ba? At may papikit-pikit pa siya ng kanyang eyes.
Classroom lesson plans,
Oh,
success and excellence in
di ba? So kayo nakakita ng puso na nagsasalita.
for more details.
Oh, di ba? Cute. Ang mga souvenirs, ang cute ng mga souvenirs nila. Oh. Dito lang yan sa indoor outlet. Dito sa Ontario Mills. Ontario Mills Indoor Outlet. O, tignan ninyo yan. Yung mga stuffed toy na yan. O, di ba ang cute? Dada, let's go. Dada, you wanna eat? Okay. Hindi, ayaw kumain ni Dada kasi actually before we leave the house, nagawa nga ako lang ng snack. Sabi ko, kain muna kami. Ito, ayan, pag massage yan, o, ayan. Maglalagay ka lang siguro ng $1 dyan. And then, it will massage you for about 10 minutes. Yeah, this chair will massage you for 10 minutes. Pagka medyo napapagod ka na, at gusto mong mag-relax, ayan, maglagay ka lang ng barya na, I think, how much is this one, Dada?
$2.
Oh, $2 for what, 10 minutes? Ayan.
7 minutes.
Ha?
7 minutes.
Oh, 7 minutes. $2 for 7 minutes. Pwede na rin.
Oh,
Di ba?
here.
Okay, Dada said he wanted to try it.
Oh, sige na lang. Bye, Choto.
Ayan, to try ni Dada. So, he'll get a relaxing massage in this chair. At ayun pala ang Auntie Anne's. Masarap yung kanilang doon. Meron silang pretzels. Masarap yung pretzels nila dyan sa Auntie Anne's. Okay, so this is nice. It's $79.99. Meron akong isang nagugustuhan doon for my friend Joyel. Tingnan natin baka hopefully there is a size for her kasi small size lang siya. It's a puffer jacket. At maganda yung brand. Michael Kors ang kanyang brand. So, I saw it right here. Oh, sana tingnan natin to. Oh, this is Kenneth Cole. Pero meron din ako nagustuhan doon sa kabila. So, this one is, I'm not sure how much is this. Okay, this will definitely fit her. But I'm not sure how much. This will definitely fit her. It's a small size. So, it doesn't have a price. Maybe I can have this one check. At meron din akong nagustuhan doon na isa. Ito, I'm sure magugustuhan to ng aking kaibigan. This one is a Michael Kors. And it's it was $200 down to $119. And on top of that, there is take an extra 50% off. So, bali magiging $60 na lang to. Kaya lang, ang size niya, XL. At ito, medium. Maybe medium will fit her. I'm sure medium will fit her. So, $119. I'm sure she will love this one. 119. Just double check. Oh, 40% savings. Okay. So, let's check other, but I'm sure she'll love this one. Pati yung kulay niya kasi maganda. Khaki. Hindi lang masyado makita yung talagang kulay niya rito, pero khaki siya.
Okay, maybe I'll have this one check. And ito, maganda rin to. Wow, pero mukhang mabigat. Okay, so I think I'll take this one. Ang ganda niya eh, oh. Medium size siya. Okay, I'll take this to the cashier. Michael Kors.
Okay, so nagutom kami, kaya bumili kami nitong Auntie Anne's. It's a mini hot dogs at with a lemonade, of course. Napagod kami. Sino ba namang hindi mapapagod, ano? At ang haba nung aming pinuntahan hanggang dun sa dulo. So palagay ko nag-enjoy din kayo, di ba? So this wrap up my tour of the Ontario Mills. At syempre, kakain muna kami ni Dada. Pupunta na kami ng kotse. At marami pong salamat sa inyong panonood. Maraming salamat sa oras ninyo. So, again, see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!